put a little piece of tape there, but it won't go too far in. Good job, Max. Okay, watch out.
Where's the...
What do you want? Oh, yeah, you're following my sequence, huh? We're going on the garbage can. Level.
Done.
Just no, not like that. Press the button.
Why?
Press
It's
it.
gonna make it deeper.
No, but you pull out. You said. Okay. All right. Put it down. I'll disconnect it.
Now to put it in.
We're gonna
Where's
do our
the-
first.
Oh. It's this one, no?
Yeah, that's fine. Two,
Which
three.
way was it? This way or this way? Doesn't really matter.
We might have to do this again because the bolts are thick. All right. Well, I need my other hand, so.